Hi, in this video I would like to talk to you about the grinder for garlic or medicinal flowers, and this according to the E.L.B.A.Z method, E.L.B.A.Z, and for more information here is the email. For that we need garlic or medicinal flowers, and we will take off the extra of the garlic and cut it in a few pieces. After the garlic is been cut and the skin has been taken off, then you put the garlic inside the grinder. I'm sorry, but the grinder is already used because I just made another French video before. So, how do you use the grinder? You just close the lid and then you grind one way and the other, one way and the other. This you do a few times, 5-6 times roughly, till the garlic or the medicinal flowers are well grinded or grounded. After the garlic has been poured into a bowl, you can again grind a second time the leftovers of the first batch of garlic so that the rest of the garlic can be made loose and put again a second time inside the bowl. Here we finished to take off the maximum we could of the garlic, and we did this with a ceramic knife, not a metal one, because so to preserve this way the benefits of the nutrients of the garlic. And if you use medicinal flowers, then you can use a safety pin this side so to take off the maximum of the medicinal flowers. And then at the end, do not forget to clean both parts.